Greetings everyone, another quick video on the SRAM AXS etap group set. Now this video in particular is going to focus on how to adjust the shifters to your likings. There are two ways to customize the shifters with the SRAM AXS etap. One, you can adjust the reach, meaning the distance between the lever and the handlebar according to the size of your hands. And two, you can adjust the contact points, meaning whether you prefer the brakes to grab earlier or later. And the beautiful thing about it, it's actually very easy to do and takes very little time. All you need is a 2.5mm Allen key to adjust the reach and a 5mm Allen key to adjust the contact point, and that's it. The adjusting screw for the contact point is located right on the top of the shifter, so all you need is just pull back a little bit the hood and you will see it seated right on top. The adjusting screw for the reach is located straight underneath. Now, when you've never done it, it's a little difficult to locate the first time because you can't see it, so use the light in your phone. When adjusting the reach, the first thing you want to do is invert your bike. It'll make everything a lot easier. Then locate the adjusting screw. It's really very difficult to see it, so use some kind of flashlight, particularly if this is the first time you do this. Turning the Allen key clockwise will bring the lever closer to the handlebar and vice versa. To adjust the contact point, peel back the top of the hood and using the 5mm Allen key, turn counterclockwise to make the brakes grab more quickly and vice versa. It's really an easy and quick way to customize your bike, and on long ride it really makes the bike feel more comfortable. So hope you enjoyed this quick video. Bye everyone.